everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. Today going to talk about leetcode challenge. Today's challenge is called interview list intersections. Given two lists of closed intervals, each list of interval is pairwise disjoint and in sorted order. So look at this example. We are going to basically, you see in this example, they draw a diagram. Actually, this is very good. So you could get the output like this one. The idea for to solve it, I just use this to draw. So you have a we only need to draw 2. And you have a B start from here. Then actually from here, they actually 0, 2, they have a 5. Then here second one start with A from here. So what are you going to find? Are going to have a 2 pointer one. They always remember that I is for the pointer for the array and the A mover, and the J is for the B. So we always first time start I equal to 0 and J equal to 0. If I equal to 0, we pick up, they always pair and sorted. So we pick up the first icon, we get the 0. Then here, these two, the maximum, the A0 position. Suppose AI and 0 position, and B and I. B is the pointer is J and the 0 position. So compare this point, this one and this one, get the max. And compare this one and this one, get the min. So it will be AI. The second element is 1, and B, J. And the second element also is 1, and get the mean. If they are corrupted, then it will in this range. Then there will, so it will be L E and L1 will be in this range. So if they are in the range, just this then will be your answer. After this answer, then you see you already found this and could be corrupted. So maximum up to here. So definitely won't find everybody in here could be compared. So you go into the I move to the second element. And you go into then the I plus, then the I move to here. And the J still in here. Then you go into pick up the maximum of these two is in here. And the minimum of these two. And it is in here. So either this will be your answer. This one element, it is your answer. And then carry on. So now we just write the code. So again, you have two positions. So it is integer. They all start with 0. So I equal to 0 and J also equal to 0. Again, and they expect an integer array. So it will be answer if array list or array list of integer list. So it is a 2-dimension. So this will be my answers. By default, there will be empty. Then we're going to loop. Once we find any interception, we just push it into our answers. So just write a while loop. So I smaller than A dot length and J smaller than B dot length. Because you're going to find the interception, so definitely need that both of them have a value. After you loop one finish it, then you just return the answers. To array. In here, we just pick up, like I said, pick up two icons. One icon is the maximum of the daily position. Second icon is the minimum of the one position. There are two pair of integers. So the L1 equal to max dot max. How to determine it is they are I have interception. So it basically just see if the max of this one, if the max of this one smaller than this one, or the max of this one smaller than this one, then definitely won't be intercepted. So we just found if which invalid situation. If they are not intercepted, we just set they back to 0. And if they are, then it then we're going to find is L1 not equal to 0 or L2 not equal to 0. Either of them not equal to 0, L1, L2, yeah. Then it means they are intercepted. So this is one answer. If no intercepted in here, so they set to 0, then just move. We need to find is move A plus plus or move B plus. In here, you always means A need a plus plus. So you could find anyone compare with this. So just write the code if you understand it. The maximum of AI the position and is smaller than this one, smaller than, so you could move second one, see if somebody have a common with the interception with this one. So in this situation, just I plus plus. And then otherwise, just J plus plus. And after the loop, it's supposed to get your answers. So this is the whole long it is length. Then change to the to 9 and change it to it is order to dimension. Yeah. Okay, 970. BC semicolon. And 970. I don't know. First is the result. It is answers. Answers. But in here is the result. Yeah, it is done. So just submit it. Yeah, it accepted. Thank you for watching.